Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yes, it's my birthday vlog. So enjoy this food virtually and let's have a look what Mr. Ashik gave me on that day.
Happy birthday. One, two, three.
Now we are here at the Absolute Barbecue, which is located in Dera, Dubai. So we're just heading towards the Absolute Barbecue and waiting to have these tasty, yummy buffets. And they provide 80 to 100 items unlimited in this buffet.
Let's go.
So you can see they have took all the precautionary methods for this COVID situation and they have just made a partition here and there to avoid the crowd. And I would say it was pretty safe to go to this place even in the time of the COVID. And now we have just ordered a spicy noodles which is customized. I think many of you know this, but this is my favorite. I don't know what magic they do. It is very tastier and very spicy, trust me. You can add how much ever spicy you want and what all vegetables or any other stuff you want to add. You just have to customize the noodles for yourself. So this is nothing but the live counter in the Absolute Barbecue. These tasty barbecues and the tasty starters, how can we forget this? And to this buffet session, they weren't allowing us without the gloves and the mask. So I would say that was a very pretty safety measure. So everybody going there has to wear a gloves in order to access these food. So we're just having a look on all these dishes and you might be thinking why we are not getting anything, because it is veg. We are non-veg lovers. So just chuck the veg out, guys. But even it was looking tastier. If you guys want to try, you can try veg, but you know, we are totally a non-veg people. So you can see here are some salads, even that was good. And now we are heading towards our main course, non-veg. So here is the hot yum dum biryani, chicken dum biryani. Actually last time when we came they also gave chicken mandi, but this time there was no mandi. Unfortunately we were not able to record the previous visit. And they also had few curries which were like mutton, chicken, and one of my favorite butter chicken was there. They had this boneless fish and chicken wings. Even that was very tastier. Everything was very tastier. I just love this place. So finally we took our main course and also the spicy noodles has arrived.
Happy birthday.
So you can see it was an unexpected surprise and it just made my day. Now we are heading towards the favorite part, desserts. Who doesn't love desserts? They had a very huge collection of these desserts, and we just tried very little as we were already very much full. And now we're gonna get these customized ice cream. Vanilla and chocolate.
Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate and vanilla.
Chocolate vanilla. The toppings are ma'am?
Yeah, nuts, choco chip.
Almond flakes.
Yeah.
Tutti frutti.
No.
Chocolate syrup.
Yes. And can you add one more scoop of chocolate? Add one brownie. Yeah. So finally got this yummy chocolate vanilla ice cream with the brownie. I totally recommend everybody to try this. I have also tried this in Chennai, but it was more tastier here. We had a heart filling and the tummy filling lunch ever.